Hello children, today we will learn about multiplication. But before we start, let us first understand repeated addition. When we add a number itself many times, it is called repeated addition. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. How many 3's are here? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here, number 3 repeats itself 4 times to add. Let us take another example to understand it. Renu has 3 packets of cookies and each packet has 5 cookies. How many cookies does she have altogether? There are 3 packets of cookies. Now, how many cookies are there in each packet? Good! Each packet has 5 cookies. To know the total number of cookies, we need to add the number of cookies each packet has. Let's add them. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Here, number 5 repeats itself 3 times. Now, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. We would read, there are 3 groups of 5 or 3 times 5 is equal to 15. We can write repeated addition as multiplication. Multiplication is nothing, just a repeated addition. In multiplication, we say 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Here this symbol is used as multiplication sign and this is called multiplication fact. Let us take one more example to understand multiplication. There are some stars. All are in groups. Let's count how many stars are there in each group. In the first group, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the second group, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the third group, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, each group has 4 stars. There are 3 groups of 4 stars, so we can repeatedly add number 4 3 times as 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 12, or 3 times 4 is equal to 12. This is multiplication fact. So, in this video we learned that we can write repeated addition in the form of multiplication.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.